Hi, good afternoon. This is Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my channel Oil, Gas, Water Knowledge Hub. This presentation on piping inspection engineers, fieldwork instructions. It is made with lot of things which are most useful in the day-to-day field activities. This is covered B31.3 process piping and other codes also. Okay, my friend, let's go. Hope that it is useful. What is 8.8 grade steel? 8.8 grade fasteners can be manufactured from any material whose mechanical properties meet or exceed the requirements set forth the relevant harmonized standards. The two-digit nomenclature is not used to describe individual steel grades and only applies to metric fasteners defined under ISO 965 as well as derived standards. So you can take a printout of this and read this instead of reading. Okay, table 1, flanges, flange size, bolt size, torque in Newton meters, foot pounds, KIPS, torque. Okay, 6 inches, 8 inches, different sizes are there. 6 to 24 inches. 300 class, again 600 class. Fireproofing. Reference documents, owners procedure specification ITPs. This clear structure is released for fireproofing. Check the surface profile is clean and free from scales, foreign material. Check DFT of the primer paint if applied. Check clearance between steel surface and wire mesh. Verify concrete cube test report, compression strength of concrete cubes. Confirm the cable tray entry if any is protected. Ensure good workmanship. Confirm the application of mastic paint against the ingress of water inside the structure. Ensure for the required fireproofing thickness achieved. Check flow rate with match cone and recommended in procedure hardness. Test pulse of pipe and plate. Butt welds preparation as per section 8 B 16.25. Weld PQR section 9. DIN 8561, 8560. Cladding DIN 8585. Test positions pipe section 9. PW 461.4. 1G, 2G, 5G, 6G, 6GR. Structural grooved welds PW 461.3. 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G. Fillet welds PW 461.4. 1F, 2F, 3F, 4F. Fillet welds pipe and plate QW 461.5. 1F, 2F, 2F, pipe plus. Plate rotate 4F overhead. P number as per QW 42. F number as per QW 432. Grouping weld electrodes for qualification. Welder qualification related. Refer section 9 WPS sample format. We have to follow only one is WPS. Okay. And whatever the test was they required, they will specify in that. Just I am giving this 6.19 for information purpose. Go through this. You can see this is last chapter in this video. Only just I am giving information. Reference codes and standards, ASME, ANSI, BPB. Section 1, power boilers. Section 2, part A, ferrous materials. Section B, Section 2, part B, non-ferrous materials. Section 2, part C, welding, electrodes and filler materials. Section 2, part D, properties. Section 3, subsection NCA, general requirements for division 1 and division 2. Division 1, subsection ND, class 1 components. Subsection NC, class 2 components. Subsection ND, class 3 components. Subsection NF, component supports. Subsection NG, core structure support. Division 2, code for concrete reactor vessel and containments. Section 4, heating boilers. Section 5, non-destructive examination. Section 6, recommended rules for care and operation of heating boilers. Section 7, recommended guidelines for the care of power boilers. Section 8, pressure vessels, division 1 and division 2, alternative rules. Section 9, welding and brazing qualifications. Section 10, fiber reinforcement plastic pressure vessels. Section 11, rules for in-service inspection of nuclear power plant components. B31.3, in-plant process piping. B31.4, liquid transportation lines. 31.8, gas transmission lines. 31.1, power plant piping. American Welding Society, welding A30, welding terms and definitions. A5.1, covered carbon steel arc welding electrodes. A5.2, iron steel only fuel gas welding rods. 5.5, LA, low alloy steel covered arc electric welding electrodes. A5.17, carbon steel electrodes and fixers for submerged arc welding. 5.18, CS filler materials for gas shielded arc welding. 5.20, CS electrodes for flux coated arc welding. 5.28, LA steel filler metals for gas shield arc welding. A5.29, LA steel electrodes for flux coated arc welding. NACE, RP0472 95 methods to prevent in-service cracking of CS weld P1 material in corrosive petroleum refineries. API 527, code for valves. API 661, air-cooled exchangers. API 650, welded steel tanks for oil storage. API 620, large welded low-pressure storage tanks. API 653, tank inspection and repair, alteration and reconstruction. API 1104, standard for welding pipelines and related facilities. 682, rotary and centrifugal pumps, shaft sealing system. API RP recommended practice. American Petroleum Institute recommended practice 750, management of process hazards centrifugal pumps of general refinery services. API 610, lubrication shaft sealing control oil system for special purpose applications. API 611, steam turbines. 676, positive displacement pumps, rotary. API 510, code for maintenance inspection of in-service pressure vessels, rating, repair, alteration. IS 803, tanks. These are small special formulas you can just note down. I am keeping this for a few half minute. You can go through this, you can note down. It is available in the net also, but just for information purpose, I have collected, kept here. It's easy to calculate certain things. API 610, 674, 682, 611, 612, 617, 618, 676, etc. International standards for the other Mechanical equipment API RP 521 API 6D. Internet standards static equipments. Example ASME Section 2, Section 8, Section 9, B16.34, B16.5, B16.9, B31.4, B31.8. We go through these documents at least to understand what is this. As I told you, if I talk about all these things, it will take a lot of time, and the information I am giving you here to go into specific standard or code and refer it and note down the valid points. Okay, just for information I am giving here. These are the welding symbols. This is also available, okay, readily. You can take a printout. Okay, this is the international weld symbol standard, weld symbol. Okay. Round welding, field welding, arrow side welding, non-arrow side welding, both sides welding. Okay, all these things it is mentioned here. Take a printout and try to maintain small handbook and write down types of welds, arrow mark welding, type of welding, different things are here. You can understand. Okay, as an engineer, I don't think that is required to explain. Thank you very much, my friends. Your knowledge is your asset. Wish you happy, bright, wonderful career ahead. All the best. Please subscribe my channel. Share this knowledge. I worked in this field for 40 years. I love to pass on the information, whatever I remember in my mind, and I am preparing, collecting some information also.